Very good evening. We have had a thriller to finish the Sylhet phase of the Dutch Bangla Bank Bangladesh Premier League, powered by Rocket, co-sponsor Nexus Pay. And you couldn't have had a more exciting and close match, and went to the wire and snatching win from the jaws of defeat. It was the Rangpur Riders who won by 8 runs. Congratulations for a great match and commiserations to the Khulna Tigers. We have our guest here today, who is Mr. Shahnur Chaudhry, Assistant Vice President and Manager of the Sylhet Islampur branch of the Dutch Bangla Bank. Thank you for being here with us. Straight away, announcing the Dutch Bangla Bank Player of the Match, an award of 1 lakh taka. And for the bowling that maybe got them there was some superb effort from Akif Javed, 3 for 29. If you'd like to come across and collect that check and crest, and I'd request Shanian Tamim to come across with him to just translate for me. If you'd like to come across, please, Akif. Congratulations, wonderful job. We know you can bowl with a lot of pace, but you needed some extra on this kind of a track to keep the batters quiet.
सबको पता है कि आप ज़ोर से बॉलिंग कर सकते हो, लेकिन यहाँ पे तो स्पेशल टैलेंट होना चाहिए क्योंकि आप बैट्समैन को रिस्ट्रिक्ट करके रखना पड़ता है।
जी, सबसे पहले मैं तो अल्लाह का शुक्र अदा करता हूँ कि मुझे परफॉर्म करवाया। जी, बॉलिंग में मैं ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस नहीं करता। कप्तान और कोच उसके मुताबिक जो वो बोलता है कि इस विकेट पे इस सिचुएशन में ऐसा बॉलिंग करना है, तो मैं वही करता हूँ। उसमें अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मुझे सक्सेस मिला।
Yes, I think I got that. What he's trying to say is that you listen to what the captain and the coach are saying. So next question to him is that he needed some support because at one point in time the batters seemed to be dominating. What goes through his head when a pressure situation arises?
एक टाइम आया था जब बैट्समैन बहुत अच्छा कर रहा था, तो आपके दिमाग में उस टाइम पे क्या चल रहा था, क्योंकि उस टाइम पे बहुत सपोर्ट भी चाहिए दूसरे बॉलर से।
जी, वो बिल्कुल ऐसा सिचुएशन था भी लास्ट में। वो बहुत अच्छा खेल रहे थे, तो मेरे दिमाग में यही था कि मैं अच्छी लाइन और लेंथ से बॉलिंग करूँ, अच्छे एरिया हिट करूँ, तो उसमें मुझे सक्सेस मिला अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
So what he was thinking was basically the batsmen were batting quite well, but as long as he kept his line and length in the good place and keep bowling the hard length and everything, then at one point of time something will give in.
Well, बहुत मुबारकबाद. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, sir.
Best for the future.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Akif Javed, the player of the match, the Dutch Bangla player of the match. Now, the captain who seems to like close finishes, it's Nurul Hassan Sohan of the Rangpur Riders. Congratulations. That day it was you with the bat. Today it was the bowlers. This was a fantastic finish. How do you keep that pressure? How do you absorb that pressure at the end?
Thank you. First of all, alhamdulillah, I think boys have that belief. They have their own belief, and I think it's a great work, a great teamwork, and obviously thanks to our coach, he gave us that belief. So we're believing that in any situation we can do our good, and I think it's a full team effort, and boys really enjoyed it.
If you don't mind me saying so, the situation may have been created by you in surprisingly deciding to bat first in an evening game over here.
Yeah, definitely. I think today I take two dangerous decision like bat fast, and the number 18 over Sheikh Mehdi came to bowl in that situation. I think it's a great teamwork and great momentum for us.
But just going back to your batting innings, Taufiq Khan and then the two Pakistani batters, Iftikhar and Khushdil Shah, really made the last turnovers. You got more than 110 runs. That was fabulous.
Yeah, definitely. Iftikhar and Khushdil batted really well, especially Khushdil hit it beautifully. And I think in our bowling time, I think Sheikh Mehdi and Akif Javed bowled really well for us.
You have done well in Dhaka. You have done well here in Sylhet. Looking forward to Chattogram. 7 out of 7 already.
Yeah, definitely. What I said, that a long way to go. Just need to follow our process, and alhamdulillah, we are looking for next matches as well, inshallah.
Keep on doing that and entertaining everybody. Thank you very much.
Sir.
Thank you. That's Nurul Hassan Sohan, and that is all from Dhaka.
বাংলাদেশ প্রিমিয়ার লিগ 2025 7টি দলের জমজমাট লড়াইয়ের মাধ্যমে পুরো দেশ দেখতে চোখ রাখুন টি স্পোর্টস নেটওয়ার্কে।
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Download T Sports app to enjoy exciting games and highlights. Visit tsports.com.